Hey there, I'm Chef Leander, and this is Small Kitchen, Big Taste. Today it's not only a small kitchen, but it's a fast-working kitchen because it is time to leave for work and you haven't had breakfast yet. Here's a really quick 1 minute, 20-second breakfast recipe that'll get you out the door in no time. I've got 1/3 cup of steel-cut, quick-cooking oats. To that, I'm going to add all the power ingredients. So I'm going to start with a tablespoon of hemp hearts, and then a tablespoon of flaxseed, tablespoon of cacao nibs, because why not, and a tablespoon of chia seeds, a pinch of salt, a quick stir, and this is ready to go. Here's a little bit of milk just to kind of cover it, almond milk, and a dash of vanilla. That's it. It's ready for the microwave. I'll be back in a moment. So there you have it. Cooked oatmeal in 1 minute and 20 seconds. I'm going to real quick slice up a banana, put it on top. If you have fresh fruit, you can do that, or you could do both. So there's the banana on top, and a little bit of almond milk, and there you have your 1 minute and 20-second breakfast. I'm Chef Leander. I hope you have a great day. To your health.